Order for today is a huge. So, tayong nag-order today kasi na-champohang malaki itong sipon, pusit at saka pampano. Ayan, thank you. So, there is a free coffee after the mass. So, after the mass, eto.